Very special assembly. Today myself and P56 will help you all remember. Here are some things that sometimes we forget and sometimes we remember.
I sometimes forget to bring in my PE kit.
I always remember when it's my birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Sometimes I forget to learn my spellings. I will now spell cat. D O G.
I always remember when it's my pocket money day.
Yippee!
I sometimes forget to tidy my bedroom. I always remember when it's Christmas.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
There are also other important times and events that we can remember.
We can remember when Miss Bell taught us all our phonics. Today we're going to be learning the song. Learning to begin the song. Are you ready?
Yes, Miss Bell.
Are you ready?
Yes, Mrs. Bell. We are thinking castanets. We are thinking castanets. We are thinking castanets. Thinking castanets. We are thinking castanets.
I can remember in P5 when Mr. Denver taught me how to score a winning goal. Come on, Everton!
You're a disgrace. It's Liverpool. You should be supporting young man, and so should all you. The tension for all of you.
I can remember when Mr. Arnold knew it was my birthday.
Oh, well, here you go, Aaron. Happy birthday. Aren't I great Principal June and Mary?
No, hasn't he got such a big head?
We can all recall special times and experiences. We can have happy and sad memories too. Remembering helps us to learn from the past and plan for the future.
November is a very special time of the year to remember. It is a time when we can remember others.
It's on the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month that marks the signing of the armistice and the end of World War I.
All over the world, special services and parades take place to remember the special people who had died during conflict. In class, we have been learning about the special significance of the poppy. Here are some of our journals again.
Me and Amy drew and painted our poppies to signify all the people who have died through world conflict.
My name is Caitlin and I wanted to paint my poppies using different shades of red. I also used different shades of green too. My name is Amelia and I spent a lot of time and effort carefully painting my poppy.
My name is Shay and I wanted to paint a range of sizes and differently shaped poppies.
My name is Connor and I wanted to paint my poppies in the Flanders field from the famous poem by John McCann.
My name is Erin and I also interpreted a sea of brightly painted red poppies placed in the Flanders fields of Belgium. My painting represents hope, love and forgiveness in a very special way that we can remember those who we have lost.
The poppy is a symbol of remembrance and hope from the first Poppy Day in 1921 to today. People all over the world wear poppies to remember those who have lost their lives during conflict. Primary 5-6 will be selling poppies to help raise money for the Royal British Legion this break time and the next week.
P5-6 will now read from the famous poem written by John McCann entitled In Flanders Field.
In Flanders fields the poppies blow, between the crosses row on row that mark our place, and in the sky the lark still bravely singing, flies scarce heard amid the guns below.
We are the dead, short days ago, we lived felt on till the sunset glow, loved and were loved and now we lie in Flanders fields.
Take up our quarrel with the foe, to you from failing hands we throw, the torch be yours to hold it high, if ye break faith with us who die, we shall not sleep through poppies grow in Flanders fields.
Today at our assembly we are going to present each class in the school with an important remembering task. At the end of the week we will be coming out to see if you have remembered.
Primary 1 remember to say please.
Everyone will remember to say thank you.
Primary 2 will remember to listen to others.
We will remember to care for others.
Primary 3 reply nicely.
Primary 4 will remember to be fair.
Primary 5 will remember to have good manners.
Primary 5-6 will remember to respect others.
Primary 7 will remember to try their best. Thank you all for listening to our very special assembly today, and don't forget to do your class tasks. Thank you, and I hope you all enjoyed our little show.